Hey everyone, welcome back to the Herbalist channel. Today, we're diving into something that smells amazing, tastes great, and does wonders for your health. We're talking about cinnamon and cardamom tea, a simple yet powerful blend. This is the perfect tea for anyone looking to improve digestion, balance blood sugar, and boost energy. So let's grab our ingredients, make some tea, and chat about the benefits it can bring to your life. Ingredients. All we need for this tea are 4 simple ingredients: a cinnamon stick, some cardamom seeds, a small piece of ginger, and a touch of honey to add some natural sweetness. That's it! With just these 4 ingredients, you'll have a tea that not only tastes wonderful, but also has a bunch of health benefits. The benefits of cinnamon. Let's start with cinnamon. It's one of those spices that's not just for desserts or lattes. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and there's a reason why. One of the main benefits of cinnamon is its ability to help balance blood sugar. This means it can be especially helpful for people who experience spikes and crashes in their energy levels throughout the day. When you drink this tea, the cinnamon helps keep those energy levels steady. No more afternoon slumps or sugar crashes. But there's more to cinnamon than just blood sugar control. Cinnamon also has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. In simpler terms, it can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is important for everything from joint health to heart health. And those antibacterial properties mean it can help fight off minor infections and boost your immune system. Cinnamon is like a little powerhouse of health benefits wrapped up in a warm, comforting spice. The benefits of cardamom. Next, let's talk about cardamom. If you're not familiar with it, cardamom is a fragrant spice often used in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking. It has a unique flavor, slightly sweet and spicy. But it's not just delicious, it's also great for digestion. Cardamom has a soothing effect on the stomach, so if you've ever felt bloated, uncomfortable, or just a little sluggish after a big meal, cardamom can help. Drinking this tea after a meal can actually ease digestion, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. Cardamom also helps with detoxification. It works to flush out toxins from your body, which can make you feel refreshed and energized. And like cinnamon, it has antioxidant properties, which means it helps fight off damage from free radicals. In short, cardamom is a fantastic spice for keeping your digestive system running smoothly and giving your body a little cleanse. The power of ginger. Now, let's add some ginger to the mix. Ginger is one of the best natural remedies for so many things. It's great for digestion, nausea, and even pain relief. When we add ginger to this tea, we're adding another layer of digestive support. It can help soothe an upset stomach and prevent nausea, which makes it a great tea to sip on if you're feeling a bit queasy. But ginger isn't just for the stomach. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce aches and pains in the body. Think of ginger as a warming spice that brings comfort and relief. It's especially nice on chilly days or when you're feeling a little under the weather. A little honey for sweetness. Finally, we'll add a bit of honey. Honey not only sweetens the tea, but also brings its own health benefits. It's known for its antibacterial and soothing properties, especially for the throat. If you ever have a sore throat, honey is the go-to ingredient, and a touch of sweetness balances the spices, making this tea smooth and pleasant. You can adjust the honey to your taste, but even just a teaspoon can make a difference. Making the tea. All right, now that we know the benefits, let's make this delicious tea. First, start with 1 cinnamon stick and a few cardamom seeds. You don't need too much cardamom. About 5 or 6 seeds will do. Add a small piece of ginger, about the size of your thumb. Then, boil about 2 cups of water in a pot. Once the water is boiling, add the cinnamon stick, cardamom seeds, and ginger. Let them simmer together for about 10 minutes. This gives the spices time to release their flavors and nutrients into the water. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Now you can strain the tea into your cup. Add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness, stir, and you're done. It's ready to drink and enjoy. The taste. This tea has a warm, spicy, and slightly sweet flavor. The cinnamon and cardamom give it a cozy, comforting feel, while the ginger adds a bit of zing. It's the kind of tea that's perfect for mornings when you need a boost or evenings when you want to relax. It's satisfying, healthy, and delicious. The benefits of drinking this tea regularly. Now that you've made your cinnamon and cardamom tea, let's talk about what happens when you make this a regular part of your routine. Drinking this tea regularly can help balance your blood sugar levels, which is especially helpful if you're trying to avoid those sugary snacks. It's also a great tea for digestion, especially after a heavy meal. And because it's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, it can help reduce inflammation in your body. If you're trying to lose weight, this tea can be a supportive addition. The spices in this tea are known to help speed up your metabolism, which can aid in burning calories more effectively. Plus, it's naturally caffeine-free, so you can enjoy it at any time of the day without worrying about staying up late. Cinnamon and cardamom tea is more than just a tasty drink. It's a simple, natural way to support your health, from balancing blood sugar to soothing your stomach. It's easy to make, requires only a few ingredients, and can be enjoyed anytime. So the next time you're in the mood for something warm and comforting, give this tea a try. You'll not only enjoy the flavors, but also feel the benefits it brings to your body. Thanks for tuning in to the Herbalist channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more herbal tips and recipes. And let us know in the comments, have you tried cinnamon and cardamom tea? What's your favorite way to use cinnamon or cardamom in your daily life? We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video, and until then, stay healthy and happy.